In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on your Tesla Model X. So unfortunately, you just can't go out to any parts store and buy wiper blades for Model X. You have to go to Tesla and buy their specific blades. What makes these special, as I pull these out here, is this connection right here. This is the washer connection. So the washers on the Model X actually come out of the blade. So if we look at the blade here very closely, you'll see these little pinholes all along the blade here. That's actually where your washer fluid's gonna come out on a Model X. So that's the reason you can't just go down to AutoZone or Napa or wherever and buy your wiper blades. You have to buy Tesla specific blades. Now this technology comes from Mercedes-Benz. Is their active rain, I don't know, they call it some kind of goofy thing. But Tesla, you know, they worked with the Mercedes-Benz in the early years. A lot of the switchgear on the Model X and S is Mercedes-Benz switchgear. So this is one of the things they got from them. And unfortunately, there's no other way to really replace this stuff other than to go ahead and buy these from Tesla themselves, okay? So now that you know a little bit of background about why you gotta buy these special blades, just for comparison's sake, I paid about $67 with tax for this set of blades from the Schaumburg Service Center here in Illinois. But you can go to your service center and they can get you a price on these, and they should have them in stock, no problem. Now we've gone over this, let's go over to the car and put these on. So the first step of this process is come inside the car, hit the little car icon in the corner here. We're going to go to the service category, and we're going to go to where it says wiper service mode. We're going to click that, and that'll move our wipers up in the service position so we can work on them. Now we're going to start on the passenger side here. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a cloth down here just so that the metal part of the blade, or the metal part of the wiper arm here doesn't touch when we take this off. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift this up, and on the edge here and here, there's two tabs, and push those tabs in and push down. As I push in those tabs and push down, you'll see this will release, and this will actually pull straight out of the way. Then down here, there's a little clip. I'm going to go ahead and pull the wiper nozzle hose out of that clip, and I'm going to gently set the blade down on my cloth here. Do not set this on the glass, set it on the cloth. Next thing you do is down here, there's a connection, there's a little plastic connector. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna twist on the side that's not the wiper blade side, the car side, and we're gonna disconnect it just like so. So here's our old wiper blade. Just for comparison's sake, we always wanna compare the new parts and the old parts to make sure they're the same size, which this is. So now reassembly, pretty easy. We're gonna take and plug this hose connection back in. On the wiper blade up here, there's a little hook, and there's a space on the blade itself. So we're gonna go ahead and hook the hook into the space there. Then all we're gonna do is push up, and this will clip into place down here. You might need to push the clips in, so it snap into place. Then all we gotta do is down here is put the hose back into place on the holder. And there we go. We got the passenger side blade changed. For the driver's side, we'll get a little different view here. Same thing though, we're gonna go ahead, you'll see the little clips on the edge here. We'll push those two clips in and push down. The blade will start to separate. We'll lift this up and undo that. We'll put our cloth down. We'll go ahead and disconnect the hose here from the holder. Twist the hose and pull. Once again, verify, make sure they're the same length. Putting these back together, once again, just a reversal. We're gonna go ahead and put the nozzle in. We'll go ahead and lift this up. Get the hook in place. Squeeze the little tabs. It'll clip into place. And then, last thing is to get our hose in the holder. Take our cloth away. Now we are done. Last thing, I have to go ahead and test it. Once you get back in the car, we're gonna go ahead, go to service, turn the service mode off. Now we go ahead and test the wipers. All right, they look like they're working just fine. Hopefully this video helped. If it did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, go ahead and smash the thumbs down twice. Show how much you hated it, and we'll catch you in the next one.